Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. If you hear beeping in the background, yes, something is wrong and it's beeping, and I want to show you this. So I'm driving my car now and it feels fine, but I have a warning in my car, and let me show you what this is. This is my TPMS and it's beeping. It is saying that my left rear tire, the pressure is very low. It's at 1.0, which means it's about 100 psi. Let's go have a look. And this is, I think, what's important is, like, you saw the video about the car was driving and in the middle of the road the tire burst. Well, if you have a TPMS in your car, these things will not happen. So I'm gonna have a look at this, what's happening for the first time with you. So let's see what has happened to my rear tire. So that's fine. Yep, as you can see, there's no air inside. So thank God I caught this error early. There must be a hole, must be a puncture somewhere, and I'm gonna top up the air in the tire and then go to a tire shop and have it repaired. But that's just the reason why you should have a TPMS installed in your car. It's not expensive. 200 ringgit buys you one. And you can see it is a great addition to any car, you know. Let's pump the air. Okay, let me just show you. Ah. Yep, the air is low. Okay. I'll be keen to see what has punctured my car. So I've pumped air into the car, and as I move, the pressure should change. Let's see. It's still blinking. Okay, there's still an error code. Let's go to a tire shop. Maybe I can't pump air in. As you can see, I've pumped air and I'm driving. It's now 1.9. So definitely there was a hole, and right now there is no error. So let's go have a look and see what was that puncture all about. As you can see, we're jacking the car up and we'll get the tire out to see what's wrong. You can see a screw is there. Just having the TPMS have saved me a few $100, because if I didn't have something there to warn me, what happened is I'll run the car flat until the tire is destroyed, and it won't be repaired. Now with a 5 ringgit repair, I'm good to go. So yeah, to all of you, buy a TPMS. It's not expensive, it's pretty cheap. Go on Lazada, have a look. I'll put a link on the description. Every car should have one.